Okay. So what we have here. So Yate, so Sikh East. Now I have Sikh East or Sheikh East. It's the you can it's the same. You can say Sikh East or Sheikh East, and this is like referring to my possession. Sheikh East. And this A Ashki Hashwole. That boy. What is that boy's name? This A here in Navajo is like a what do they call it? It's a filler word. It's not even translated in English. They just use it here as a filler. But you can look at it as that. That's what you can look at it as. But there's no translation for A. It's just a filler. And Ashki. So that boy, Hashwolye. Hash is like, it's a question asking like what or which. So Wolye, what's his name? Wolye. And the Wolye is referring to he or she. Okay, so this language seems to be like a SOV. The verb's always coming at the end. And subject first. So here's that A again. A dinebeza bihosh a. So he is studying. He, see, A is referring to him. So he dinebeza bihosh a. He is studying Navajo. Now here the bi, that's referring to he or she. Bihosh a. Well, actually, I'm sorry. Bihosh a. The here, the hosh a, the sh. This one, this is referring to he or she studying. Ado more shith or bith yate. So bith, you have to use the like it's for him. It's difficult for him. You have to use the possession, the possessive. So you have she, bi, ni, nihi, the bith. So for him, it's like for him, yate, and it's let me see. It's good to him. I think I said, I don't know why I said it's difficult for him before, but it should say, I meant to say it's good to him. He likes it. To him, it's likable. Bith yate, e ashki hleto waliye. So that's that A again, the filler, referring to ashki, which is the boy. So that boy is called hleto waliye, called hleto. And then you have Hleto eight a sahidinebeza. So Hleto eight a. So here's the A again. So Hleto A. It's almost like, it reminds me of a little Japanese and Arabic. When you start talking about someone, you add Y as the subject. That's how this filler is playing here. And then see in Arabic, when they start talking about someone like Musa, who, like you have the Yadrasu, Musa, ya Musa Yadrasu, like yeah, Musa, he studies. The ya is referring to he. You see, it's almost, that's what this reminds me of. When you start with someone's name, you got to say something about them. So shle'eto et asahi. So asahi, this means independently, self. Dinebiza yehosh a. So yehosh a. This is referring to hold on. I think I messed up again here. I got some mistakes going on here. Let's see. Because Yehosh A is referring to he or she studying something. Behosh A. Behosh A is I study. What did I do? How did I do this here? A dinibiza behosh A. Yeah, I think it's A ashki one. A dinibiza behosh A do A ashki. Okay, yeah, I messed up. So this behosh A shouldn't be here. It should be yehosh A, because we're talking about that. We're talking about hle'eto, because he asked about him. So being yehosh A ado bich. Bich to him is good. Bichliate. The A ashki hle'eto wulie. Hle'eto eight a sahid nebiza. Yehosh A adok a bigrande. So he's studying Navajo independently, and God is now berande. So here's this possession again, berande. That means house or his, and then ran is like the home, and then the di is the preposition inside of the home. So berande, in his home studying now. Yehosh nahalin la. So yehosh he's studying, and then nahalin is seems. Now this changes. It's not the same. This nahalin is used here just because we're talking about the third person. If it's someone else, it's going to change. And I don't want to get into all that right now. When the nahalin is referring to him, it seems that he is. La is just like emphatic particle. You put it at the end. Shie ashto. Shie ashto. Yeah, emphatic particle, just like the Chinese one, how they use it. That's very interesting. Shie ashto tleeto berande. So I also shie. So shie is I. She is I. A is again that filler. It's like, you just put it together. Ashto is also tleeto berande. Also in his house, in Tleeto's house. Bit. Tleeto, his house, in Bohosh ante, I study. And then te here is just used to, it's like in the past. Bohosh ante, te, ado, aste, dinebeza, ayo, nehishnan kla. So also, moreover, at first, the Navajo language was very difficult for us. You see, it's for us. Nihishnan kla. You have nihish. You see, before we had shich, bich. Now we have nihish, because we're talking about the two of us. Now if it was the three of us, it would be different too. So, alright, I'm going to stop the video again.